We're the
Connected
Voices. And I'm
Voices.
your Kuya Corn.
And I'm your Ati
And
Corn.
your Mima Corn.
So we're gonna share this podcast about share your thoughts, opinions, and violent reactions.
Yes.
And our topic for today's talk is who are you when you get drunk?
Ooh,
I'm gonna start about that.
that's
Sa lasingera,
hot
syempre.
question. That's a hot
Yeah.
question.
Me as like I'm a bit young on the younger side, so I enjoy drinking. So socializing. while drinking.
Socializing.
I'm becoming more after like a few while I become talkative. But when I get really really drunk,
You're
get-
more than talkative.
I get serious. I get really really serious. Like I keep it on my own self and become more hyper vigilant, that's the word.
Hypervigilant.
Hyper vigilant. Yes. I get more
It's like more
hypervigilant.
aware of your surroundings.
Yes, like I need to be more cautious in what I say because I already know that there's something going on with my head. Like I'm under a substance. Like I'm drunk.
Yeah.
I need to be
That's
more
the effect of the
careful.
alcohol
I
in
need
your
to
body.
be more I need to be more careful about my surroundings, my own things.
Mhm.
Remember, like
exactly.
when I get
Personal
drunk,
belongings.
personal belongings. Like I get hyper vigilant, but not to the extent that I'm gonna physically be ill about it. Like
Mhm.
I like those limitations and restrictions. Like sometimes I don't limit myself. I think some people can relate that. Like you get to test your own boundaries. You get to test fun with your friends. Like you can keep on drinking. But after a while, when you get to kind of used to that feeling or good feeling that you are on a set of a good mental health, best self version, like drinking sometimes it's a hindrance. It can be like you don't want to wake up with a hangover, even though you know how to take care of yourself, or you don't want to puke or vomit. That is like the set of boundaries you can take. Like, this is too much. I'm drinking a lot. But me personally, who am I when I get drunk? Like drunk, I become silent. I become silent and hypervigilant.
Are you still aware of what you were doing when you're drunk?
Yes, kasi bakit? Pag may alak?
May balak!
Not most of the time. I can say like it's not most of the time. Like when you're with friends, you don't have no balak, no? Or you have balak to go to sleep again.
Makes sense.
Who are you when you're most drunk?
Me, I already counted not many times I got drunk
Mm-hmm.
because I'm not the type of person when I drink, I don't drink to get drunk. So that's me.
Then why do you drink?
I drink to have fun, to release stress, to socialize. It's not that okay. I need to drink because I need to be drunk and forget the problems because that's not the type of person I am. I am a type of person that when I drink, just maybe limit, not to the highest extent that I can, drink the whole bottle of vodka or things. But I'm only into wine
We're all
or
human,
spirits.
We're
Just
all
a low, low alcohol content. That's that. But who I am when I'm drunk, I think when I am in my younger, age.
Younger age,
I think nung
maybe.
natuto ako kasing uminom,
Yesterday.
late na rin kasi
Yesterday.
yun. Late na rin kasi ako natutong uminom. I think I was 18, 19 nung ako natutong uminom. College days.
Mhm.
So, nung college days, doon ko natutunan talaga na, I mean, ay, ganito pala yung kapag may alcohol ka sa body mo. Totoo to. Alam to ng mga nakaka-experience ng pagiging lasing, no? Nag-iiba tayo in a different version of ourselves. We're completely in a different version of ourselves. Me, talking about myself, I am talkative
You become
naturally.
talkative.
I am become more
Oh
talkative.
my God.
And I'm wild.
Yeah.
Yeah. You saw me, no? You
Sabi
saw me
nga
when I
nila,
was
kapag
when
lasing,
I
lumalabas
was-
ang tunay mong ugali.
True.
Yes.
Really? I think it's the hyperventive side of
I
our
can
self.
relate to that. Like you can say na parang an alcohol is an alcohol. It's a disinhibitory. It lowers
Mm-mm.
your senses. So when you get under a substance like alcohol, and alcohols are barbiturates in a drug form. Oh, barbiturates. So you
Yeah.
need to like it lowers your inhibition.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can't stop yourself from doing what you want in a sense that you have still have control. That's what alcohol like goes towards you.
And you? Ni
Actually,
manang bayan?
I drink occasionally actually. Sa kaunting
Occasionally din.
amount of
Oh,
alcohol,
occasionally.
napaka-sensible ko. Talagang mahihilo na ako. Kaya kilala nyo naman ako talagang
Mahina
Mhm.
hindi.
talaga.
Oh.
Oo.
Pero way back nung high school or nung college ako, umiinom talaga ako.
Mhm.
Gaano ka talaga nung
Um,
college ka?
Ako,
Are you a type of person na kapag uminom ka, you don't think about tomorrow?
hindi. Yayaan ng barkada. Kasi di ba after ng
Oo, you
thesis,
get
Lasing talaga kung
after ng
lasing.
duty, ng
Yes.
pupunta kayo, magkakaime sa billiards,
Lasing kung
magbibilliards.
lasing.
you
Lasing
get
kung
pressured.
lasing. Or
You
pupunta
get
ka sa
peer
isang
pressure.
bahay ng kaklase mo.
Mm.
Doon kayo mag-overnight, mag-iinom. Ako naman, kapag nalalasing,
Pancit canton.
ewan ko kung
Parang-
ako lang ang nakakaano. Parang gusto ko yung tinitingnan ako ng lahat.
Ay!
Yung parang gusto ko,
May ganun talagang
Totoo
yung
sense.
parang,
yun, totoo
yung parang
yun,
ganyan,
totoo
parang
yun.
feeling ko nakatingin sila sa akin.
Ay, hindi ganun talaga.
Totoo yun, no? Totoo
And then,
yun.
that time, takot din kasi ako kay Papa pag uuwi ako. Pag ganyan. So, ang ginagawa ko,
I think
sabi
everybody can
nila,
relate to that. Yeah.
kapag uminom ka at naparami yung inom mo, ako nag-iilisip ako ng gag reflex eh.
Ay,
I mean,
nagbubulimia.
Hindi naman bulimia,
Ganon.
parang gusto ko lang maisuka para
Ganun.
maging okay ako. Kasi nga napaka-sensitive ko sa
Sensitive.
alcohol.
Aha.
Parang pag nakainom ako ng 2 baso,
Lasing ka
malulula
na
na
agad.
ako.
Mhm.
Nakahiga
Lasing ka
na
na
ako
agad.
dyan. Oo, yun na yun.
Madali kang tamaan.
Pwede na akong maghahasa.
Maghahasa. So, ganun.
Kaya nga,
Ganun.
do. So,
Pero
Same
siguro
tayo.
as
Madali
nature
lang
ko na yung
tamaan.
parang pero hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ng alcohol na i-justify kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin. Totoo yun. Pero sa akin, sa pagkakakilala ko sa sarili ko, kapag nalalasing ako, parang feeling ko, ay, ako yung tinitingnan niya. Tinitingnan akong ganyan. Parang ako yung, gusto ko ako yung center of the universe. Yeah, ganun. Pero, di ba? Parang,
I think it happens to a lot of people.
pero
like,
ngayon hindi
yeah.
na. As in, ngayon hindi na.
We
Kaya mo.
matured.
We matured. Everybody gets matured. Like,
Drink responsibly as well.
Yes.
That's
Lalo na ngayon na masyado tayong workaholic, nagtatrabaho. Hindi pwedeng mag-inom tayo na mag-inom. Kinabukasan magtatrabaho tayo.
Especially on our job.
Lalo na sa
Yeah.
buhay ang hinahawakan natin. So,
True.
kailangan lucido tayo, nasa tamang
True.
pag-iisip.
It
Kaya
has
kailangan,
grave consequences. Like, whatever you do today
you will
have
suffer.
consequences
Yes.
or tomorrow.
kaya nga, di ba, minsan pag lumalabas tayo, nagkakainuman, kinabukasan wala naman tayong pasok.
True.
We make sure.
And because we're not
We're being
going
responsible.
to drink to be
Yeah.
drunk.
Yeah.
We're just relaxing.
It's a part of our
That's
social
that.
life,
Yeah.
actually.
Wine, spritz.
Banding
aperitivo,
moments.
True.
Chikahan.
You know,
Kuriko.
sometimes may mga tao din na, yung parang maniwala kayo sa hindi, parang malakas yung tolerance nila sa alcohol.
Ikaw?
Oo.
Ikaw.
I'm that kind
Kasi
of a
nakita
person.
na kita eh, no?
Like,
actually,
Yeah, actually, we're the opposite of you.
sometimes yung parang talkative na sila, na I can still see, okay, they are getting fun, they are having fun, but I'm still here. Here.
Yeah.
So that I need to, parang you need to drink more just to arrive on the same level as others. Parang, yeah, okay, it's good for everybody. But
Yeah.
at the end, the rebound, no?
Yeah,
The day
case-to-case
after,
basis.
Yeah.
Kaya sa mga audience
should-
natin, na mga kabataan, be responsible.
Know your limits.
Exactly.
Because,
Kaya nga minsan kapag umu-order tayo ng alak, yung kalahati, ikaw yung umuwi.
Pero aminin nyo,
True.
depende din talaga sa mood.
Kasi
True.
Depende din talaga sa mood. Kasi may mood ka na gustong-gusto mong uminom ng alak kahit wala namang celebrations.
True.
For example, I just wanted to really just drink, just to relax and have fun. And maybe sometimes when you have problems. Kasi nga sabi nga nila, di ba? Pero ewan ko na nga lang, nakaugalian na, especially sa mga Pilipino, kapag may problema daw, alak yung isang madaling solusyon para daw makalimutan yung problema, which is, hindi naman.
I think it comes for, we drink a lot. We drink for that occasion. But it's a lot more like you guys are together and talking about your problems.
Yes.
You are digesting this kind of
Exactly.
information, your problems. People can relate to that.
Yes.
And you can give your own solutions, and the person can think about that. And while we're talking about it, you kind of have fun drinking just to lower your inhibitions, like what we talked about earlier. No, yung parang, because sometimes, it's hard to open up.
Exactly.
Especially
Kaya
for
kumukuha
guys.
sila, umiinom sila ng alcohol para kumuha ng lakas ng loob na sabihin.
True.
That's
Kasi
the
kung normal ka o natural kang tao, hindi naman lalabas
It's
yung mga
really
problema mo.
hard.
Pero
True.
pipili ka ng kakainumanan mo, na paglalabasan mo.
syempre.
Kasi kung ikaw, makikipag-inom akong kayang ganyan, tapos biglang lumakas yung loob mo, sasabihin mo yung problema mo,
Oo.
hindi naman open book yung buhay mo.
True.
Kaya nga, di ba,
The
lumalabas lang
right kind
tayo.
of
Exactly.
people, the right kind of people, that understood yung parang,
person you're
yeah,
your
like
problems with.
me, I like me, I can say I have friends for having fun and party people. I wouldn't expect them to be like reasonable, to be a part of like a friend that would help me suggest, or I wouldn't listen a lot about those kind of opinions because it's destructive and minsan, and it's for the fun of it. Parang ganon. But sometimes it's drinking with a friend for like an
Yeah.
aperitivo, like an aperitif.
You have your own circle of
Yes.
friends.
That is like your
Having-
friend that is mature, that you can talk about like this kind of things, like
Yes.
you have problems that you need to other people's
Advice.
opinion,
Mm.
advices from a mature person, and alcohol means like a social event
Mhm.
to just, okay, we're drinking, we're talking, we're sharing
Yes.
something. It's a community.
Mhm.
No, parang commune. You get to commune with your friends on the right kind of basis. But I'm not saying that your part friends or your good kind of happy friends are not kind of good people or good give good
Good advices, yeah.
But it's on letting other people becoming who they are and choosing on what you can gather from them while
Yeah.
drinking. Yeah, it's
Exactly.
a community. Like you get to share.
Right.
They are more sharing on the positive energy side, and other people like giving you the more reasonable and the more logical response. Mga
Yeah.
ganun, diba?
So that's us when we get
Mhm.
drunk. Who we are when we get drunk.
Okay,
So basically,
you get wild.
mhm.
Me, I get
Not super wild.
It's
Corrected by not
okay.
super wild. Just still knowing your limits
Like
and being
flirty,
responsible.
like
Being flirty a bit, yes, of course. When you're, for example, when you're in
Fruity.
occasional, situations such as like bar
Yeah,
or
because it's
it's the proper way. I mean, it's the proper place where to
appropriate.
behave.
Yeah,
Like
it's
behaving, being flirty, You're
Yeah.
in the bar, of course. What do you expect?
And if-
Standing there looking each other, no, nah.
And for you, it's about
I want to be the center of the universe.
yes.
But do you also sometimes, when you were still competing, do you also drink alcohol before?
No.
Like, I mean, at least just a little to make you
No.
feel,
So we got to I already saw that.
Ako kasi yung tipong public figure. Since then, bata pa lang ako, humaharap na ako sa tao, sumasali ako sa mga declamation contest,
Mm.
nakikipag-usap ako sa harap ng maraming tao.
President
So yung
of the class.
pag-aakyat ako, president of the class, pag
Right.
umasa sa stage, naging natural na sa akin yun. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng alak eh.
Oh,
Kasi
yeah,
ang
yeah, of
katwiran
course.
ko, maraming mga artists ngayon, bago sumalang sa concert,
They need to have
iinom,
something,
para kung
yeah.
lumakas ang loob, mawala ng kaba.
Exactly.
Parang sa akin, naging normal na eh. Bata pa lang kasi
Oo.
nasanay na ako humarap sa maraming
It's your
tao.
way. It's your way naman
Yeah,
talaga.
it's part of who you are.
Yes,
It's part of-
Exactly.
pero
Mhm.
gaya nga ng sabi ko, kapag nasa diskohan or nagiinuman, more on talaga, o kukuha ako ng isang glass ng wine, ang kalahati siya yung uubos, or kukuha ko ng mango juice,
Exactly.
orange
Not
juice, para na makasabay.
non-alcoholic.
Para na
Non-alcoholic
makasabay.
drinks.
Kasi
Doesn't
yung-
need to be always
Exactly. Yung
alcohol.
banding naman kasi hindi ibig sabihin umiinom ka, iinom din ako.
Oo,
Hindi ko
Yes.
naman
yun.
kaya.
That's why
Exactly.
respect is on the table always. Like you
Yes.
get to I'm not gonna change who you are. If you wanna drink
Yes.
less,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna pressure you. I respect your choices.
Exactly. And for you, knowing your limits. That's it.
Yeah,
You
me,
know?
I know my limits. When I get too okay, I'm getting hyper vigilant. Okay, I'm getting serious because I'm thinking of what I should be doing, like the most responsible thing, like going home, things like that. I already know, like okay, I'm drunk.
Yeah. That's that.
Mhm.
And
You know
also,
how to stop. actually.
Yeah.
Parang, okay, I'm drunk and I'm bit okay, calm.
Enough.
Calm.
So,
This is
yeah.
enough for me.
so that's who we are when we're drunk.
Yes.
And that's what the power of alcohol.
It's about time na ba na uminom na tayo?
It's about that.
Shot. Okay. Well, guys, just to give advices to our audience, especially to younger generations. be responsible, especially ngayon, yung mga kabataan mga ngayon, specifically sa mga Gen Z natin dyan. Kasi iba-iba naman ang mga panahon, di ba? Just a special shout out.
True.
I know every one of us have generations, where
We have
we're type
different,
of people na we have a different priorities, and also just try to have a self-control.
Mm.
Huwag kang uuwi o magda-drive ng motor or whatever, drive ng car, or, go out in the middle of the night
Oo.
na walang iuuwing.
Problema.
I mean, hindi ka uuwi na yung lupaypay, tawagin ba nila yon? Yung hindi ka na makalakad.
What's lupaypay?
Magtitira tayo. Lupaypay is a term meaning, exactly, is lupaypay yung hindi na makakalakad. Ayun mo. Parang gulay na siya. Oo. More specifically sa mga babae.
True, because it's a different era right now.
Yes.
You need to be sure of
Are aware of your surroundings.
Yeah, be hyper vigilant because we don't even we're in Milano. There's so many bad things in the news, like getting. I don't want to say this kind of words, but it's
Anywhere in the world,
Yeah,
not specifically in Milan, in any
especially
cities,
everywhere you go,
countries.
and every kind of social event, there's another like the after party, like going home. That's the next party that you're gonna go to. Party, a bad sleeping party.
Ako naman, na masasabi ko sa mga kabataan ngayon, hindi nyo kailangang uminom para ma-impress ang ibang tao. Kasi marami kayong peer groups ngayon na i-influensyan kayo. Inom ka, shot. The end, ikaw yung masasaktan, ikaw yung mahihirapan, ikaw yung magsusuka. So, hindi mo kailangan magpa-udyok para lang masabing malakas ka kagaya nila.
Para masaya. True.
That's right. To highlight that,
True.
to highlight what you've said, makinig tayo sa mga magulang natin. Wala namang sinasabing.
Makinig kayo sa mga matatanda.
Specifically sa mga magulang natin, 'di ba, sasabihin natin, saan ka pupunta, ganito, magpatuto tayo magpaalam. Kasi ang mga magulang naman, lagi nga nilang sinasabi, magulang kami, alam namin yung makakasama sa'yo, makakabuti sa inyo, specifically kapag yung lalabas ka. And kapag under ka pa lalo na sa mga underage, no?
You don't drink
Huwag
when
tayong
you're
uminom
underage.
ng, ay, di
Yung
ba?
mga pagkakatiwalaan mo, okay, yung part yan ng banding. So, pwede kayong mag-inuman, pero yung para lang mapalakas yung samahan ninyo. Pero yung mag-i-invite kayo o mai-invite kayo sa isang grupo na hindi nyo kakilala, pag-isipan nyo mabuti.
O bagong kakilala lang.
True.
Me, my perspective about that, it's knowing, parang you need to, kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo. So you can know what you can present on the table. Like if you're gonna go with group of strangers that you're, let's say on a social event, like on a club, it's okay for me.
Yeah.
It's actually okay. But it's in a club. You can carry who you are. You
Yes.
know you can carry who you are. You know your limits, and you can talk to anybody on that kind of social event. But if it's like a group of people, and you're gonna be entering that, like be more aware. I can say that, like, yes, you can do it, but be more aware. Be think of the consequences that would happen,
Yes.
and think twice. That is what I gather from what you said. Think twice before like being friends with a lot of strangers. You need to know who you are and what you can assimilate that information from other people. You need to protect yourself from other people's opinions, other people's views. That's why, or other people's hands. You need to be mindful, being aware of your own surrounding, being aware of who you are. That's why drink responsibly.
Okay. And masasabi ko lang, hindi masamang mag-inom, pero hindi dapat siya yung priority nyo sa buhay. Mag-aral kayo, mas masarap mag-inom kapag nakatoga na kayo, yung may mga magandang celebration, may narating na. Yung kasi alam nyo lalo na sa Pilipinas, kapag nasa university ka, college ka,
nandiyan yung trigger.
Yes, marami magti-trigger siya, mag-iinuman, ganyan. Kaya nga karamihan, hindi nakakatapos ng pag-aaral.
Yes.
Bakit?
Nalululong.
Kasi una. Nabuntes. Kasi nga, ano ba yung nagiging ugat niyan? Kasi hindi naman sa nilalahat ko, I don't want to
generalize.
generally. Yung ang nangyayari kasi nagiging mahina kasi iinom. Ay, yung alak ang nagiging dahilan.
Totoo
Pero hindi
yun.
walang kasalanan ng alak kasi desisyon mo yan eh.
Totoo yun.
Desisyon mo yan.
Mm-mm.
Pero kung sana, ang naging priority natin ay ang pag-aaral, sinusunod natin ang ating magulang, makakatapos tayo ng pag-aaral.
Totoo.
Masarap mag-celebrate o mag-inom kapag may celebration.
Mm-mm.
Lalo na pag may narating tayo sa buhay.
Tama.
Mm.
At I mean, we've been there naman, no?
Yes.
Naging teenager tayo. Nandiyan yung triggers. Madami tayong triggers. Mukha ka lang teenager. Char! Di ba? Nandiyan yung mga triggers. Pero sa mga kabataan ngayon, the advice that we wanted to imply is, don't forget to be a teenager. Enjoy being a teenager.
Enjoy your
You know?
life.
Because that's once in your life.
Yeah,
Dadaan at dadaan tayo dyan. We've been there. You know?
For me,
We're not in this age na hindi namin pinagdaanan. May iba-iba tayong pinagdadaanan, di ba? Pero, just enjoy being a teenager. Pero with limits.
Yeah.
With
I
limits.
can-
And also, listen to your
Mm.
parents. There is nothing na may ibibigay sa inyo ng mga magulang ninyo na makakasama sa inyo. Hanggat nasa puder pa kayo ng mga magulang ninyo, listen to your parents.
Ano yung masasabi ko sa mga
That's why
walang kinalakihang magulang, yung walang nagagabay sa kanila? Isipin ninyo na kayo ang may hawak ng buhay nyo.
True.
Balang araw, kayo yung mag-aangat sa sarili nyo.
True.
Una sa lahat. Kung sisirain nyo ang buhay nyo ngayon pa lang,
Mhm.
wala nang pararating ng buhay nyo. So, maging matatag kayo. Pwedeng uminom.
But you
Okay yan. Kasi
Live.
part yan ng para mag-grow ka bilang tao.
tao.
Pero wag dumating sa limit na magre-rebelde ako kasi wala nag-aalaga sa akin. Kasi sa huli, ikaw magiging talunan.
Mhm.
Ikaw ang magiging talunan.
Ah.
Iangat mo ang sarili mo dahil walang mag-aangat sa
para
sarili mo.
sa'yo. True. That is the right
That is.
the
That
right
is. You
kind
gotta perfect the
mentality.
perfect
Yeah,
maturity.
maturity.
Right. All right. Well, anyways, that's the lesson.
Mhm,
You know,
mhm.
that's who we are when we get drunk. Lumawak na siya, and it's timely and it's relevant
Oh,
to
that is a good,
to
good
the
guy.
youth.
Yeah, yeah. Me, I can say I'm still on the part of the younger side, the younger side. But yeah, like I can say na okay.
Yeah.
Don't-
Remind me, how old are you again? 91? Char?
It's, I'm TBA years old. Yeah, TBA years old.
You're still in the
I'm
calendar.
February. I was born in February
30?
29. Yeah, 30. I don't exist in the calendar.
So funny. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this season.
This episode.
Oh, this episode season. May season. Ang episode natin.
About being drunk, and once
are
again we are
the
the connected
Connected
voices.
Voices.
of YouTube.